Thank you so much, Mr. Walid, for being with us today. And obviously, STYRO is the Creative Solutions Partner for Commercial Interior Design Awards 2022. Second year in a row, yes, of course. And this year it's bigger and better than ever.
I hope so.
We're so excited. We just wanted to go a bit behind the scenes and see what actually went into the making of the whole stage and the wonderful installations across. So to start off with, how was the design process like for the stage?
The stage was, we took the logo of the event, and our designers just created something to match the screens of the stage, the backdrop photo booth, and this goes all into 3D designing. Then we blend in this process with the frames so it can match the look and feel of the whole event. So it's almost like a three process. It starts from designing, then it goes into integration with the frames and the backdrop. Then at the end, it goes to the cutting and the process of production to super match the designs of the event. We use our own products, which is the expanded polystyrene, which is white in color, and this is a very good versatile material that has endless shapes and designs. We use it in construction, we use it in interior designs, and it has the capability of big volumes with very lightweight. So it's big and light. So it has the sustainability characteristics in all its kind of forms. So it's been used widely in landscaping, it's been used in interiors at the Grand Hyatt, at the Louvre in Abu Dhabi, and we've been successful in all these projects. So the design itself is integrated to have the look and feel of the logo of CID Awards.
Yeah, and that's truly a magnificent job, might I say, because obviously the color of the whole awards is Pantone, very Perry. How did STYRO actually match that color?
Actually, we worked hard in a way that we mixed and matched. We tried 3-4 samples, and with the base primer background to match exactly the colors. So we used different kind of elements and paints, and we made samples, and then at the end, that's how we reached to the matching colors of the awards, which is I think some people call it purple, some others call it violet, lilac. I don't know. It's a mix of different violet, purple, lilac.
Yeah.
And the swan, if you see, the swan will be made out of shades of these colors, so to give that rich look.
Definitely, and we are super excited to see it as well. I know we are filming ahead of the awards, but we are all excited to see the different installations and how you match the
We
colors.
expect lots of pictures with the swan.
Definitely, that's going to be.
This is what we need out of the swan.
We're going to make sure we divert the people towards the swan especially.
Yes, it's not a swan. It's 50% swan, 50% flamingo. So it's
Cool.
Faizan, our artist and designer, he made a great mix of these two elements or these two animals to come up with something new for the awards. So
That's
I think
amazing.
it will look so nice.
Yeah, and a unique animal for a unique event. So
Correct. Correct.
Absolutely amazing. What were the materials? I know you talked a bit about it in the beginning as well, but what other materials went into the making of the stage and the different installations?
We use high quality expandable polystyrene, and we add to it some kind of special primers and finishes. And then, of course, there is the shaping. We use robotic and 3D shaping instruments. And then there is a final touch of 5-10% just hand artistic finish to give that the final touch of makeup to the. So we use also special hard coating to give it that effect because our expandable polystyrene is a bit soft and it's a bit spongy. So we coat it with special cementitious material using BSF cementitious material from Germany to give that strength and that power to the product so it can withstand the pressure of people and touch of people.
Okay, that's so interesting. And just like out of curiosity, what was the timeline like? Because I know when we initially had those conversations, it felt like literally yesterday.
Yes.
What was that timeline like?
Well, I think we started almost now 10 days. I think it will take another 10 to 12 days of production. But man hours, I think there are around 6 laborers working in this project. And there will be around also 6 of them working on stage at the event location. So it will take them 2 days to finish the whole thing.
Wow.
Yes, to make it look perfect.
That's like one of the most shortest timelines I've heard. Like literally, it's making me stutter because of how amazing it is.
Yes, it's so big, but we have special techniques to make it fast.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Any insight on to what those techniques are?
We cannot tell you everything, but we have special techniques and special machines. We don't use the simple. There is no secret. It's mainly when you depend more on machines, less on manpower, you have more efficiency. So this is how we shorten the time. Something like this back then, like 10 years ago, it will take around 1 month. Yes, okay. With the new technologies coming up, we added lots of robotics in our manufacturing, which makes things very fast.
That's amazing, and like to get it all done within the deadline.
Yes,
that's amazing. So
we need to meet the deadline. We cannot delay. We cannot delay the CID awards.
Yeah, unfortunately.
So we are working around the clock.
Oh wow.
To finish it for you.
And we really do appreciate it. And
yes.
Honestly,
no, we are excited.
Yeah, definitely. Before I let you go, the final question is, of course, sustainability.
Yes.
How does the whole process or the installations themselves, contribute to sustainability?
I want to talk about the company a little bit here and about the product and about the project which we are doing. I mean, the product has evolved in the last 70 years since it was created to become a major product in the construction industry and the insulation industry and the decoration industry. So the sustainability part, they have advanced the product in a way that you can use, especially in insulation, that you can use better, less material but higher efficiency when it comes to energy saving. This is for the energy saving. For the decoration part, the technology itself, the robotics and the 3D instruments that were introduced in the last 20 years, it has added sustainability because it has reduced the man hours needed in these kind of productions. For our product, it's environment friendly, it's ozone friendly, it's 100% recyclable. We recycle everything, whatever comes out. Like whenever any project that ends, all the cutouts is being recycled, so we don't throw anything into the environment. So we try to be all environment friendly in all aspects, in all types of our activities, which helps the sustainability factor also in terms of energy saving, in terms of recycling, and we don't harm the environment. We try to keep the trees green all the time, and our product does not have any effect on Earth itself. So sustainability is something that is making us grow, and it has helped our company evolve and grow because of our sustainability factors in our production and in the product. Yes.
And what about like the project itself, like the CID awards, in terms of the staging and the installations? How are these products going to be, either dismantled, or are they going to go in separate versions? How is it that contributing to the whole sustainable factor?
Usually, these kind of projects, when they finish, some clients, they like to keep them. So usually we cut them into pieces, we pack it, and you can store it. If you don't want it, we take it back, and we have a special recycling team. They take it, they skin out all the paint and all the coatings. So they remove the skin, they bring it back to its raw stage, and it goes into a special machine, a recycling plant. And then we crush it and we recycle it, and it becomes powder. We use it either internally, or sometimes even some other manufacturers in China and in India and all these places, they buy it and they recycle it themselves and put it back and to make children toys or picture frames. So this is what will happen to the stage after the event.
Yeah, well, I hope we can get the flamingos in.
But the flamingos we will keep. The only thing that we will not recycle, I think, is the flamingos, because you can get them. You can use them somewhere here.
Yeah, I know. We are eyeing it. Our team is eyeing it for sure. We might snatch one or two of them for ourselves.
It's all yours.
Thank you so much, Mr. Walid, for being with us here today. And thank you so much for the collaboration as well. We are super excited. And
Me too.
I think by the time this airs, potentially the event would have been done. But I'm sure everybody can see in person how glorious of those installations and the stages.
We're looking forward, and we are very happy and very proud to be part of this event and part of the ITP and CID Awards. And we are looking always to be part of this.
We're excited. There we go. Here's to the next edition.
Sure. We are ready for it.
There we go. Thank you so much, Mr. Walid.
Welcome. You're welcome. Thank you so much.